Welcome everyone, hope you all are fine. I'm Barira.
I'm Hamza Khalid. And Hassan Khalid.
Yes, so today I'm with Hamza and Hassan, and today Hamza and Hassan are going to make a funny bunny. So if you are excited, then hit a like, and if you like it, then comment below that are you going to try it or not. Guys, in Hassan's hand you can see here is a printable of the funny bunny, the two hands and the face of the funny bunny. You can I'm going to share the link of the PDF in the description box, and you can download it and print it, and you can make a funny bunny.
I want 2 cats and 6 straws and 1 scissor and stickers.
And the printable. You can see Hassan's printable bunny is cutted and Hamza's bunny is left. So now let's cut Hamza's bunny. Okay, so guys, you can see Hassan's printable bunny is also done and Hamza's printable bunny is also done. Now we need cup. Hassan, Hamza's cup. Hassan's cup and Hamza's cup. So on the cup you have to make 3 circles. Right, left and in the bottom. So let's cut it from the bottom and the right and left. Hamza is opening the straws from the package, and now Hamza will tell you how we have to make the holes. Hamza, tell us. We have to make the hole from the bottom and
left and right.
Yes, very good. So we have to make small circles, so the straws, you can see the straw can fit into it. So let's make the circles. Now you can see
No, this is the mic.
your straw and your So now here's the tape. I'm gonna put your straw over here. We have to attach it over here. On the end of we have to attach the circle at the end of the straw and the face at the top of the straw. But now this one too. Hamza's hands and face is done. See, Hassan's bunny is ready. After attaching the hands from the face in the bottom, Hassan and the hands at the right and the left, we have to attach the straws with over here. So now we have to paint the cup, the most favorite part of the kids. Now you can see both of the bunnies are looking so cute and they are ready. Now you can decorate it with some stickers, and you can also use paints. So we are going to use paints because it is the most favorite part of Hassan and Hamza. So we are having over here rollers. Which of the roller do you want, guys?
I want this one roller.
This is the a simple one. You can take anyone from this. Okay. Okay. So now let's paint. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to Crafts with Barira to watch more crafts with Hamza and Hassan. Hamza, Hassan, bye bye.
Bye bye.